Machimo still here. Now we're going into the Army Hummer. This is my uncle's. The other one, it was this guy who was just coming for to see his aunt.
Okay, guys.
So yeah, enjoy.
My mom sits there if you want to know. I sit here. No, can I sit right here?
How do you open the window?
Wait, can I sit right here?
Stanie tu sobie usiąść.
How do you open the window?
Okej, tak sobie usiąść.
How do you?
Ale kierownica oryginalna
Watch out for the...
mniejsza?
Okej. Take it down the egg.
Hey, hey.
Hey, look.
How do you open the window?
Hey, look, look.
How do you open the window?
It's like I'm riding.
How do you open the window?
You're doing this video.
Thanks. I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
Oh, and post the other one on YouTube.
Look at all this.
I'm riding this. Hi. Tata, idziemy na motory z tym autem? Yes. Hey, that's my dad. If we're taking this car for 4 wheelers.
Yeah, because the
Ale
front.
im zimno tam będzie.
Look, Angela, look on the roof.
Ja wiem.
Okay.
Wujek. Isn't the you have two quads? Is she racing with the yellow one or the blue one?
Yellow one.
Oh. The yellow one's so small.
No, not that. My brother. There's the other yellow
Fajnie
one.
no se gada.
No, that's not the Hummer. I know which one.
I'll show you, okay? I'll show you.
To ile trwało 8?
Muszę pan. 5-7 turbo diesel.
That was Zato.
Look, I'm riding.
You know that was
Look,
Zato.
I'm riding.
Dużo. Za dużo.
100,000?
A lot. A lot.
More?
More than that.
O pieniążkach się nie robi. Jesteście są dla młodzi. Wy się jeszcze pobawcie. Nie pieniążki. Pieniążki tak
Tata, slow
będziecie.
down. Tata, slow down. There's Keegan up there. Tata, pomału przy drzewach. That was awesome when we were riding on top. I'd rather ride in the other car than here. No, it has a roof. You can take this off.
I know.
Like this, you cannot take this off.
No, that's the thing to hold it.
You can get out now. Right now. Can't get out.
Instead of the gas pipe in the back, it's in the front.
Under you is like this bateria thing, like battery.
I know. I still have extra battery. It was in the war.
Don't hit the roof. Hey, don't hit the roof. The antenna's humongous. Okay,
Okej, już
poczekaj na to. Oh my god.
There you have it, guys. Army Hummer.